How good is your Spanish? Today, we're going to test you. This is a 100 animals challenge. Can you get them all right? Only a few people can. You'll see the word, and you choose the correct answer. Let's begin. How do you say dog?
Perro.
How do you say cat?
Gato.
How do you say horse?
Caballo.
How do you say cow?
Vaca.
How do you say pig?
Cerdo.
How do you say sheep?
Oveja.
How do you say goat?
Cabra.
How do you say chicken?
Gallina.
How do you say duck?
Pato.
How do you say turkey?
Pavo.
How do you say lion?
León.
How do you say tiger?
Tigre.
How do you say elephant?
Elefante.
How do you say rhinoceros?
Rinoceronte.
How do you say hippopotamus?
Hipopótamo.
How do you say monkey?
Mono.
How do you say gorilla?
Gorila.
How do you say chimpanzee?
Chimpancé.
How do you say zebra?
Cebra.
How do you say giraffe?
Jirafa.
How do you say bear?
Oso.
How do you say wolf?
Lobo.
How do you say fox?
Zorro.
How do you say hyena?
Hiena.
How do you say deer?
Ciervo.
How do you say kangaroo?
Canguro.
How do you say koala?
Koala.
How do you say panda?
Panda.
How do you say leopard?
Leopardo.
How do you say jaguar?
Jaguar.
How do you say dolphin?
Delfín.
How do you say shark?
Tiburón.
How do you say whale?
Ballena.
How do you say octopus?
Pulpo.
How do you say squid?
Calamar.
How do you say jellyfish?
Medusa.
How do you say fish?
Pez.
How do you say seahorse?
Caballito de mar.
How do you say crab?
Cangrejo.
How do you say lobster?
Langosta.
How do you say eagle?
Águila.
How do you say owl?
Búho.
How do you say hawk?
Halcón.
How do you say parrot?
Loro.
How do you say pigeon?
Paloma.
How do you say flamingo?
Flamenco.
How do you say swan?
Cisne.
How do you say peacock?
Pavo real.
How do you say rooster?
Gallo.
How do you say sparrow?
Gorrión.
How do you say bat?
Murciélago.
How do you say rat?
Rata.
How do you say mouse?
Ratón.
How do you say rabbit?
Conejo.
How do you say squirrel?
Ardilla.
How do you say hedgehog?
Erizo.
How do you say porcupine?
Puercoespín.
How do you say camel?
Camello.
How do you say llama?
Llama.
How do you say donkey?
Burro.
How do you say mule?
Mula.
How do you say hornet?
Avispón.
How do you say bee?
Abeja.
How do you say ant?
Hormiga.
How do you say butterfly?
Mariposa.
How do you say moth?
Polilla.
How do you say frog?
Rana.
How do you say toad?
Sapo.
How do you say turtle?
Tortuga.
How do you say lizard?
Lagarto.
How do you say snake?
Serpiente.
How do you say crocodile?
Cocodrilo.
How do you say alligator?
Caimán.
How do you say seal?
Foca.
How do you say walrus?
Morsa.
How do you say otter?
Nutria.
How do you say penguin?
Pingüino.
How do you say seagull?
Gaviota.
How do you say turtle dove?
Tórtola.
How do you say woodpecker?
Carpintero.
How do you say crow?
Cuervo.
How do you say raven?
Cuervo grande.
How do you say canary?
Canario.
How do you say goose?
Ganso.
How do you say sea turtle?
Tortuga marina.
How do you say starfish?
Estrella de mar.
How do you say clam?
Almeja.
How do you say oyster?
Ostra.
How do you say mussel?
Mejillón.
How do you say giant squid?
Calamar gigante.
How do you say anteater?
Oso hormiguero.
How do you say sloth?
Perezoso.
How do you say armadillo?
Armadillo.
How do you say meerkat?
Suricata.
How do you say weasel?
Comadreja.
How do you say ferret?
Hurón.
How do you say badger?
Tejón.
How do you say skunk?
Mofeta.
How do you say raccoon?
Mapache.
How do you say chameleon?
Camaleón.
Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe and keep learning with us. Comment if you were able to complete them all. See you in the next video.